everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this specific video, I thought to share some investment tips regarding sneakers. So how sneakers can make you earn more money, or how sneaker is considered investment in different communities. Like in India, this culture is very less, or there is less eagerness about sneaker culture investing. Okay, so I just wanted to explain some short things. So this is Adidas Yeezy Foam Runners, a collaboration with Kanye West. It was released at a retail price of not more than 8 to 10,000, but the resale value of this particular pair is more than 25 to 30,000 right now in India. So if you think, like, if you buy this pair at retail, and to get a pair of a sneaker at retail you need to be God's favorite, like I'm not. So I tried to cop this pair when it was the price was fluctuating between 15 to 18,000, like the price was going up to 25,000. So you should know the prediction, like which pair will go at what price, and is it a hit or no. So I thought that this pair will go about 25 or 28, 30. In India there are crazy values for foam runners especially. Same for this one. This one is mineral blue color. So this particular pair is sand color or clay color, and this is mineral blue. Also for same this, and for this one in retail is going for more than 32 or 35,000 for bigger sizes. So you can think sneakers can be an investment also if you try to cop them at retail. If you don't manage to cop them at retail, you can try to cop them when the price are going up or the price is fluctuating more than the expectation they are reaching at some point. Also there are other sneakers, like this is Yeezy 350 Carbon. So Carbon is a particular shoe, and these are sandals or slides, we can call in type of slides of Adidas. So this is also 350 Yeezy Carbon. So when it was released for not more than 14 to 15,000, and the current value of this is in India is approximately double. Like for 30,000 you get this pair of any size. So you can consider sneakers as an investment or stock. So this one is Zion, and so the prediction of this sneaker was to go till 25,000, but there are some chances or fluctuation why the prices are not going up. So this particular sneaker you will get at retail not more than 23 to 22,000, because it was expected to go till 30, but it's sitting at 22 at shelf right now. The particular sneaker, this is most anticipated Yeezy till now. Like this is my personal favorites. These are zebra colorway. So it was released at same retail price for not more than 14 to 15,000, but current price of this it will go for more than 30 to 35,000 in Indian market, because the colorway was loved approximately all over the world. So this was loved, and the affection and the prices just boost up the boom of the sneakers, and Adidas tried to re-release them and restock many pairs. So this was one of them. I tried to cop this particular pair at a very good price, and right now I am thinking to keep it for more time, and I'm expecting the price will really go up, because Adidas have not confirmed any more re-release of 350 zebras. So I'm thinking the market will go up for this particular pair. So in fact in this thing I really wanted to explain this thing, like in India sneaker investment is not considered only to wear. So you should be aware of the sneaker community, like which pair is going to release at what time and on which platform, and what will be the prediction of particular sneakers. So if you understand this market as it is same easy as the real stock market, and sneaker also have some applications where prices go up, prices go down, like StockX. There are fluctuating price, a real stock market for sneakers. So this is a new culture being adopted in India as well as in other many countries. So here it was my small explanation regarding sneaker culture or investment in sneakers. Thank you so much.